So in this video we are going to discuss about rationalization, which is a part of class 9th chapter 1. So following with the help of these following parts we are going to understand rationalization properly. So whenever a monomial is there in this way, 1 upon root 7, rationalize the denominator. Question is this solution. So if a monomial is there 1 upon root 7 it is, so simply multiply both the sides by root 7, right? So 1 upon root 7 multiplied by root 7 upon root 7. So this will be root 7 upon root 7 multiplied 7 is 7. So this is our answer. Whenever a monomial is there, simply blindly just multiply both the sides by the same number, right? Root 7, both the sides by root 7, root 7. If it is root 5, both the sides by root 5, root 5. So let's move on to this category. Second part, root 5 upon 2 root 3. So in denominator we have root 3. So simply multiply both the sides by root 3 if it is a monomial. This is a monomial. So root 5 upon 2 root 3 multiply by root 3 upon root 3, right? Blindly, whatever root value we have in denominator, multiply both the sides with the same. So root 5 multiplied root 3 is root 15 upon 2 multiplied by root 3 multiplied root 3 is 3. So this is root 15 upon 6. This is our answer. Simple. Third category is 1 upon root 5 minus 2. So third is root 5 minus 2. So whenever a binomial is there in denominator, here in denominator we have a binomial. So see which sign this binomial is having in between. So minus sign is there. So just multiply both the sides with reverse sign. So multiply both the side with plus sign, keeping the value same. So this can be written as 1 upon root 5 minus 2 multiplied by root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 plus 2, right? So root 5 plus 2 multiplied by 1 is root 5 plus 2, right? Here what do we have? Root 5 minus 2 and root 5 plus 2, right? So a minus b, a plus b is numerator as it is. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So root 5 square is 5 minus 2 square is 4. A square root 5 square, this is what? Root 5 square minus 2 square. These two values, these two multiples. Root 5 square is 5, 2 square is 4. So we can say the answer is root 5 plus 2 upon 1. So upon 1 does not matter. So answer is root 5 plus 2. So 1 upon root 5 minus 2 can be written as root 5 plus 2. So this is our answer, right? Next category, 1 plus root 2 upon 2 minus root 2. So 1 plus root 2. Fourth category, 1 plus root 2 upon 2 minus root 2, right? This is the 2 minus root 2, correct? So let's do it. So this same process, use the same process. So 1 plus root 2 upon 2 minus root 2 as it is, multiply both the sides with this reverse sign. So 2 plus root 2 upon 2 plus root 2. So now 1 plus root 2 bracket 2 plus root 2 upon a minus b, a plus b is again, okay, write it. We'll do in the next step. So now how do we open these brackets? So just multiply this 1 by both the numbers. So 1 bracket 2 plus root 2. Now second number root 2 bracket 2 plus root 2 divided by a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square, right? So this is what? 2 plus root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2 is 2 upon 4 minus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 root 2 upon 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is our final answer. So we have eliminated root from the denominator. So this is what we have to do while rationalizing the denominator. So there is no root in the denominator now. So just pause the video to note it down. So next category, the last category. Before that, just pause the video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to see the upcoming notifications. So next, fifth part is 3 upon root 3 plus root 5. 3 upon root 3 plus root 5 minus root 2. Sometimes, rarely, we have trinomial, right? Trinomial in denominator. So what we have to do in this case, just split this into binomial, right? Consider it to be a single unit, and there are two different units, root 3 plus root 5 as one unit and root 2 as second unit. So follow the same steps. 3 upon root 3 plus root 5 minus root 2, right? Multiply both the side with plus sign, so root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2, right? So now what do we have? 3 multiplied by root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 whole divided by, now a minus b, if this whole is a, so a minus b, this whole is a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b is what? A square minus b square, right? So this is what? 3 root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon a square. Now this is what? A plus b whole square. So root 3 square is 3, root 5 square is 5 plus 2 root 3 multiplied root 5 is root 15, 2ab. So root 3 multiplied root 5 is root 15 minus root 2 square is 2, right? So this is what? 3 root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 root 15, right? Now consider, now rationalize it again. So multiply both the sides by 6 minus 2 root 15 upon 6 minus 2 root 15, right? So now what do we have? 3 root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 multiply by 6 minus 2 root 15 upon a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square, right? So now just simplify this. Pause the video to note it down. We have to do further also. So now what do we have? So 3 now 6 how to open the bracket? 6 multiplied by 3 root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 15 multiply by same 3 root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 6 square is 36 minus 2 square is 4, 15 4 times 60, right? So root 15 square is 15, 15 multiplied 4 is 60. So 6 3 18 root 3 plus 6 3 18 root 5 plus 6 3 18 root 2 minus 3 2 is 6, root 15 multiplied 3 is 45, right? Plus minus 3 2 6, root 15 5 75 plus 3 2 minus 3 2 6 root 30 upon, we need not to simplify this numerator, right? It does not make any sense for us. It is just time waste. If we want to, whenever we are rationalizing, just try to remove root values from denominator. So 36 minus 60, that is what? Minus 24, right? So if you want to solve it further, just simplify this numerator. Otherwise this can be our final answer. Take this minus sign upwards and take 3 common, okay, 6 common from this whole bracket. So what do we have? Root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2 minus root 45 minus root 75 minus root 30 whole divided by 24, 6 4 times 24, so 6 4 times 24. So this is our final answer, right? This is our final answer for rationalization of this number, this value, right? So this, it was quite difficult, quite lengthy, but you have to follow the same steps whatever value you have in this trinomial. So I hope it is clear to you. So thank you all. Bye bye, take care.